Dear Bahujan friends, as we all know, once upon a time, India had been a famous land in the education sector all over the world. Students across the globe used to travel to the famous universities like Nalanda, Takshashila and Vikramshila for education. At a time, around 10,000 students studied science, economics, mythology, social science, political science, geography, history and astroscience in each of these universities and spread the knowledge in their own respective countries. As a result, along with India, human values were re-established in the countries like Japan, Sri Lanka, China, Brahmadesh, etc. Peace and morality dwelt in these countries. Even today, these countries are full of morality and spirituality. Samrat Ashoka has established 84,000 stupas. The huge India existed towards Afghanistan, but the history proves that India was totally destroyed after counter-revolution. Stupas had become just a history nowadays. Re-establishment of the history is the moral duty of every coming generation. On Nagpur-Jabalpur Super Express Highway, Sinhora, owing to this, Buddha Spiritual Park is planned on the land of 125 acres in Mahamaya Nagri at the cost of Rs 125 crores. Earth creation artist Deepak Bhagat is manufacturing a 105 feet Buddha statue at the cost of 3.5 crores.
नाम दीपक भगत है। मैं फाइन आर्टिस्ट हूँ और मैं इसी तरह का मूर्तियों का काम करता हूँ। बुद्धा स्पिरिचुअल पार्क के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। ये बुद्धा स्पिरिचुअल पार्क शिहोरा कनान विलेज में है। मैं ये जो प्रतिकृति हम बना रहे भगवान बुद्ध की, ये करीब 105 फीट की बनने वाली है और इसकी हम अभी मिनिएचर मॉडल बना रहे हैं। कार्य को मुझे करने में बेहद खुशी है और मैं चाहता हूँ कि यह कार्य मेरे से अति सुंदर बने और आप लोगों की आशीष और आप लोगों की दुआएं मेरे साथ रहे, ये मेरी दिली तमन्ना है।
Special features of Buddha Spiritual Park. Nagpur is known all over the world for the huge mass conversion to Buddhism. The park is being built at the location 23 kilometers away from 0 Mile in Nagpur, Mahamaya International School. It is well known that education brings revolution. Illiteracy is the root of all the problems. All our problems can be solved through the medium of education. Library. The books written by the great thinkers and spiritual leaders are the most important proof of our literary movement. These books guide our movement and need to be collected, hence the need of library. Meditation Center. We are people with great family values. We dwell in worries, anger, jealousy, selfishness, and wish for the peace of mind. But there is no such place where we can sit alone and concentrate on our minds and purify our thoughts. We are going to fulfill this need through Meditation Center. 56 feet statue of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. On 14th October 1956, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar converted to Buddhism along with lakhs of his followers. This religious revolution called Dhammakranti improved the lives of whole Bahujan society. The change in mentality brings the change in conduct. This fact was lightened by the conversion brought by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Expressing our thankfulness by building the 56-feet statue of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 28 statues of Lord Buddha. Tathagat Gautam Buddha had never said that he was the first and last Buddha. According to him, all the human beings have an ability to become Buddha. He said, there existed many Buddhas before me on this land and there will be many Buddhas after me too. Buddha is a state of life. Considering these words by Lord Buddha, we are going to establish 28 statues of Buddha that will become our inspiration. Residence of monks called Sangharam or Bhikkhu Nivas. The life of Buddhist monk is based on the sacrification and dedication. They sacrifice their home, wealth and relatives and wear orange clothes called Kashay Vastra. Hence, we are building the Bhante Nivas, that is the residence of monks. The replica of Mahabodhi Buddha Vihar. Tathagat Gautam became the Buddha in the city of Gaya. It was in the same land of Gaya. Buddha started meditating to find the root of all the sufferings involved. We have planned the replica of this vihar on this 125 acres land. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Museum. The life of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is a great source of inspiration for all of us. The things used by him, whether it's his house, pen or the clothes that he wore, are all the inspiration and guidance for us. It's our moral duty to collect the things used by him. It's my humble request to all the Prabuddha Bahujan friends to help in this great cause wholeheartedly. Thank you. Jai Bhim.